What is up? Good morning, guys. How you doing? Forgot to do that cold start for you guys, but right now I'm gonna be on my way to Stockton. I'm gonna be linking up with Mike. It's gonna be a drift event. He's gonna be sliding at and a bunch of other people. So yeah, that's pretty much the move for today. You know, chill, link, vibe. That's about it. So it's about an hour from where I'm at right now. So let's get to it. Doing the same old shit. The new hollow tips and them same old Alright, we out here. Just made it to Stockton. Roads look like shit over here too. It would be a shame if his SC got got by an NA car. Damn, that'd be a shame. I want him to beat it. He should. A low boost, he makes like 650. High boost, he makes like 9. So he should beat this. You know what I'm saying? Should be a walk in the park. But you know, heat soak boys, spin boys. You know, I got traction. So you know, we gonna see what's gonna happen. Oh, vlogging with a GoPro head ass. My man got the GoPro stick.
What happened, bro? Why I beat you here and you was around the corner?
I'm in A.
My nigga Drake.
Drizzy in the flesh, you know what I'm saying?
Balling for us. You need to go back to Frisco and hang with the Lambo partners you had.
Hell no, them streets is fucked up.
Like, fuck it. Gonna put a rap seam on this shit to hold it down. I'll double-side it later.
Hey. Damn, the famous Mike. We out here in the Bay. He got the 22s on it today?
Nah, we on 19.
He swapped them out.
Function.
He swapped them out. He got his donks out the crib. The Dos Tomes. That shit dangerous. You cut your ankle with that motherfucker. Oh shit. Oh, he got the mongoose tires. Oh yup. My man's ready for the Area 51 invasion. Come on, girl. Thank you. Damn, is that Mike? Damn, that Mike? They look like twins over here. Damn, that's Mike-alike. Yeah, I barely pulled in here and I think it's filthy. Fuck. So, oh, bad. I have to go to a self-wash and rinse this shit off. What car wash? Shit is hit already. God damn, looks like I just went on a lake bed. All bad. We out here. About to do a test lap. Damn. Mike got the cleanest drift car though. Damn, my boy got the wood grain.
You literally?
My man said I'm gonna air out. one test lap in, and his ECU has no power. Some bullshit happened, so probably gonna have to tow it back. So since Mike's down, we in the Z.
Gonna blow the tires up right now.
Gonna pop them, and everyone's done, so. Hey. Yeah. Almost cooked it. That was sick. This is just a stock VQ. Just angle kit, hydro. I think I need that. Find me a little DE. Hell yeah. Are flying. Hey. Boost, man. Nothing sounds better. Peep this Mustang. So from what I hear, I think it is E36 swapped. connection, sir. Hey, look, got Beamer wheels on it. That's sick. Well, I'm burnt, guys. It's hot as shit outside. My car's dirty as hell. I need to go wash that ASAP. Can't be spotted looking like damn Return of the Mummy and shit. This is pretty sick. This dude, Mike left the extension on his thing.
How did that shit look on camera, Mr. Kicks?
That shit hella weird.
I know, sliding the stock car. This dude got a whole Steven Spielberg setup. Got a bunny tail in this shit. Boy, static out here. Mike's getting his shit towed.
That faithful 350Z power.
That VQ power, my boy. Stock life.
Went to the gas station at the corner.
Sad boys. The SC didn't want to get gapped by the R8, so it just gave up. It said, nah, I can't do it today, fam. It said, hey, I can't do it. I'm a 2J. Damn. That KBD dog? Hey, I'm gonna get away from this strap. That shit pop hit my car. All bad. Damn. Me and Mike got something in common.